Complaint was that files are going missing in Mapsa Municipal Council. Lokachi file, whether it is trade license, transfer of house tax, birth correction. There are multiple files that gayab jata rokade. After applicant has filed, when the applicant comes for follow up, think ते फायली गावना आणि लोकांक सांगता की फायली शेणले म्हणून. सो त्या कारणाक ते हर फ्रायडे हांव वयता मुद्दाम वयता म्युन्सिपालिटीन लोकांची कामां खातीर. And there were multiple complaints that day saying that file मेळना म्हणून.
So what will be the reason?
म्हाका म्हणून इन्क्वायरी न्हू ती कोण शेणयता म्हणून काय खबर ना. आमी अमक्याचे फायल घेवन यो म्हटल्यार ती फायल एक 10-15 मिनटां भितर पावता COच्या टेबलाचेर. सो समवेअर somebody is playing some games. त्या कारणाक I have asked for a police inquiry.
What will be the reason?
No, any particular person. The staff जाय तो आसा न्हू. I cannot name anybody कारण जर कोणाचें नांव घेतलें he is not involved, it will be a problem. No, I don't want to name.
कसली फायली मिस जाता? कसली फायली?
It is routine. थोडे कामाची फायली मिसिंग वयता. सो वेगवेगळे तरेचे फायली थंय मिसिंग जाता.
कितले कंप्लेंट्स जाला आनी कितले फायल्स मिसिंग अशें?
There is also apparently some outside person who comes and looks through files and all. I don't want to take his name, but there has already been a तेजेर कंप्लेन चालू आसा, तेजेर इन्क्वायरी चालू आसा.
ओके, नंबर्स द फायल कितले मिसिंग कंप्लेंट्स?
दॅट वी कॅनॉट, आय डोंट हॅव द क्वांटम बिकॉज कोण आयल्या पळय म्हजे कडेन तितलीच फायली मिसिंग आसले म्हणून आमकां सांगल्या. आनी आमी सांगलें की फायली घेवन यो म्हणून 10 मिनटां भितर म्हजे कडेन पावना फायल जाल्यार पुलिसेक कंप्लेन करपाक लायता म्हणटा त्या मनशाक. सो देन इमिजिएटली द फायल समहाव अपियर्स. सो दीस हॅज बीन अ ट्रेंड फॉर सम टायम. So we have to get to the bottom of this and ensure that मागीर जायना म्हणून कितें निमाणे लोकांक त्रास जाता.
So what will be the reason you think?
No, I don't know.
स्टाफ करता काय भायलो कोण आउटसाइडर?
No, I don't. That is what apparently there is some video कोणे म्हाका दाखयलो हो मनीस येवन हें करता म्हणून फायली. But again I am not the person to comment on that. Let there be a proper inquiry.
But what will be the reason? Any idea, sir?
After my intervention, within 10 minutes, that file came to Chief Officer's cabin.
मुद्दाम लिपून दवरता.
That is what I feel. मुद्दाम लिपून दवरता or somebody is playing some games in that.
So what will be motivation? Any idea? What is the motivation?
I don't really understand what it could be. But इथून कितें हांव एक सांगूंक सोदता की Chief Officer, Municipal Engineer 1 as well as full council including chairperson has given full support for this inquiry. There is also an attendance fraud where आमी door to door collection जावनी, garbage sweepers जावनी, म्युनिसिपल स्टाफ जावनी कोण दिना कामाक. अटेंडन्स शीट मागयल्यार सगळे प्रेझेंट दाखयता पूण थंय कामाक कोण आसना. कामाक कोण आसना म्हटल्यार वी कॅन सी अ लॉट ऑफ लॅप्सीस इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्लेनलीनेस ऑफ वॉर्ड्स, वेदर इट इज ड्राय वेस्ट जावं आमचे गार्डन वेस्ट जावं वेगवेगळे तरेचे वेस्ट जे आसता. प्रत्येक वॉर्ड मेंबर हॅज बीन अलॉटेड अ डे एंड अ टायम. ही गेट्स अ टीम ऑफ स्वीपर्स एंड क्लिनर्स हू क्लीन दॅट एंटायर एरिया. तसलो लेबर तांकां सपोर्ट गावना. कावन्सिलरांक आपलो वॉर्ड नितळ दवरपा खातीर सपोर्ट गावना. सो इन दीस वेन वी फाउंड आउट सॅलरीज आर गोईंग एवरी मंथ to these people, but if people are not there on the field, what is the point of paying the salary? So in that I feel there is some manipulation going on in the attendance. So in that also inquiry I have requested.
Sir, फाटल्या दिसांनी जायते लँड इश्यू जाताल्यार तितून तुमचें मातशें नांव येतलें.
Land issue.
सिद्दीकी सुलेमानाक धरला तेन्ना तो तुजें नांव काडटालो
I am completely not involved in any land dealing. I am not involved. तुम्ही track record माझो check करा. Nor do I deal with land other than whatever land I own personally or my family owns personally. And business whatever land we have. I do not know this person Siddiqui Suleiman. I am not aware of who it is. I feel this is completely motivated, and if I am involved, let there be an inquiry. I am open to a CBI inquiry also on this. Let it happen. Why it is not happening? तुम्ही क्वेश्चन कर. माझेर इन्क्वायरी हांव मागता मरे. आनी कसलो भंय?
तुमचेच नांव कित्याक
म्हाका काय फरक पडना.
तुमचेच नांव कित्याक?
हांव ना जो मनीस नासता आनी हांव आतां तुमचे मुखार रावन तुमी सांगता पळय. आय एम ओपन टू एन इन्क्वायरी. लेट देर बी एन इन्क्वायरी. वाय द इन्क्वायरी इज नॉट हॅपनिंग? यू आस्क द रायट अथॉरिटीज वाय देर इज नो इन्क्वायरी. वेर इज द केस?
पूण तेणें आनी केलें की
तर एलिगेशन करीत मरे इन्क्वायरी जावनी म्हणून. हांव म्हणटा जावनी म्हणून.
सीबीआय इन्क्वायरी तुमी तुमचेरूच
अशीच एसपीचेर बीन आनी हेंचेर इन्क्वायरी
आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू गो ऑन दॅट. SP जावं आनी कोण कोण आहात ते म्हणटा. If I am involved, I am asking for an inquiry. No, let there be an inquiry. So if the person, if the people are claiming that I am involved or he's claiming I am open to an inquiry. See, he has multiple cases on him. He is accused in many issues. How many issues am I accused? This is the first type of accusation in my career, 6 years that I'm in it. And we come from a family who has a lot of inherited land. I don't need to do land scam to take land in my name.
defaming you, defaming you.
It seems like that.
डिफेमेशन केस
See, I have already put a defamation case on.
तुम्ही घातला
I've
ऑलरेडी
already put a defamation case on. And with regards to inquiry, I'm open to inquiry. जाऊन inquiry. माझे इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट खंय ते दिसताले. I don't know. He has not replied. I think. I'm not aware of it. I've given the press conference.
बातम्या दुसऱ्या